In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to commit on GitHub to save project changes in an organized way. First, open your project folder on your computer and open the terminal inside that folder. After making changes to your code, you need to add the modified files using the command git add to select all changes. If you prefer to add a specific file only, you can use the command git.add file name. Next, use the command git commit message to create a commit. The commit message should describe what was changed in the project, such as bug fixes, layout updates, or new features. A commit works like a save point, allowing you to track the history of project changes. After committing, you can upload the changes to GitHub using the command git push. This allows other people to see the updates and continue working on the project. Making commits frequently helps keep the project organized and makes it easier to return to previous versions if needed. Try to write clear commit messages to make the project history easier to understand. And that's it. Now you know how to commit on GitHub easily and efficiently. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.